Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that espresso lovers are sure to appreciate, the DeLonghi Classic Signature Espresso Machine with Frother. We've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The DeLonghi Classic Signature is more than just an espresso machine, it's a gateway to creating café-quality beverages right in the comfort of your own home. As the #1 worldwide espresso machine maker, DeLonghi has built a reputation for delivering high-quality coffee experiences, and this model is no exception. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make this machine a great addition to any kitchen. First and foremost, we have the 15-bar Italian professional pump, which ensures optimal extraction. This means you can enjoy expertly brewed espresso with just the right pressure, whether you're making lattes, cappuccinos, or even iced caramel macchiatos. The machine's ability to deliver consistent quality makes it perfect for anyone who takes their coffee seriously. Another key feature is the Thermoblock technology, which allows for rapid heat-up and precise temperature control. This means you won't have to wait long for your machine to be ready, and you can enjoy your favorite coffee beverages at the perfect temperature every time. Whether you're in a rush on a weekday morning or taking your time on a leisurely weekend, this machine adapts to your needs effortlessly. One of the highlights of the DeLonghi Classic Signature is its adjustable frother. The two-setting steam wand gives you the flexibility to create everything from silky steamed milk for a classic cappuccino to rich, velvety microfoam for latte art. This is a fantastic feature for those who enjoy getting creative with their coffee or simply want to impress guests with their barista skills at home. For those who appreciate customization, the machine offers preset recipes for single or double espresso shots. This allows you to brew your preferred dose automatically, making the process seamless and user-friendly. Whether you're new to brewing espresso or a seasoned pro, these customizable options cater to all preferences. Now, who is this machine suitable for? If you're someone who loves espresso and has a passion for crafting your own coffee drinks, this machine is a perfect fit. It's also great for busy professionals who want to enjoy high-quality coffee without the hassle of visiting a cafe. Families can benefit from it, too, as it can cater to different tastes and preferences, ensuring everyone gets their perfect cup. In practical terms, you can use the DeLonghi Classic Signature for a variety of scenarios. Picture this: it's a chilly Saturday morning, and you're ready to indulge in a warm, comforting latte. Simply set the machine to your preferred preset, and in minutes, you have a delicious cup to enjoy while you read the newspaper. Or perhaps you're hosting a dinner party and want to impress your guests with after-dinner espresso martinis. This machine makes it easy to whip up drinks that will leave a lasting impression. In conclusion, the DeLonghi Classic Signature Espresso Machine with Frother is not just an appliance, it's a ticket to enjoying cafe-quality coffee at home. With its optimal extraction, perfect temperature control, adjustable frother, and customizable options, it caters to both novice and experienced coffee enthusiasts alike. Its sleek, compact design means it will fit beautifully in any kitchen, making it a stylish and functional addition to your countertop. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.